What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to actually make screenshots. Basically, I'm going to show you guys how to get like a GTA 5 thumbnail for your GTA 5. So let's get right into it. So what you need to do is go and take your thumbnail. So I'm just going to take out a weapon here. And what you're gonna do is go in an area where there's not a lot of people. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go over in here. I like to go in like open areas and then click the D-pad, and then it says start recording, turn on action replay. You're gonna hit start recording, and you're just going to do your action or just aim your gun. So in this place, I'm just gonna aim my gun and shoot it. And now just click save recording. And now, guys, we're going to go ahead and go on my phone and show you guys how to do that. Before you do that, you want to go to Rockstar Editor, create new project, add clip, and add that one clip that we just did. Okay, now, guys, what we want to do is go ahead, and by the way, guys, this is an update tutorial, okay? You're going to hit edit. Alright, guys, now what we're gonna do is click cameras. These are all options. What we're gonna do is click cameras, hit the free camera. I recommend free, but you can do whatever. I recommend free though. And I hit edit camera, and then we're just gonna go down like this. And so to the point where he's about to shoot the gun, we're gonna go back. Alright, boom. Now click add marker, and we're gonna go ahead and do cameras. We're gonna do free camera, and we're gonna drop down a little bit more. You guys could do this if you guys want to. I'm just gonna sit by the wall here like that. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna back up because we're gonna be adding stuff later. We're gonna click save, and we're gonna go ahead and do effects. You guys can add your effects. Now, guys, actually what I'm gonna be adding is you guys can add whatever you guys want. But I'm not gonna be adding any effects, but yeah. Now the important thing is hit that set thumbnail button there. So hit upload the thumbnail. And guys, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit save, and we're gonna just take Snapmatic. So hit that. Now go ahead and it's gonna load, let it load for a second there. It's gonna load for a second, guys. Boom, it's done. Now go ahead and back out and go ahead and exit this. You don't need to be on here. Put to the main menu. And you guys are done, guys. So we're gonna meet you guys on the phone. Bye, Felicia. Alright, guys, so we're now recording on the phone. What you need to do is you're going to need the Rockstar app. You're gonna need the Rockstar app. Not Rockstar app, but you're gonna need the thing for it. You're gonna need the Rockstar Editor. So first, what we're gonna do is go to Rockstar Editor. Rockstar Editor. I'm gonna go back here. Alright. Yeah. No. And we're gonna go ahead and click this. Add this. Alright. I'm just gonna click this to upload this photo to Social Club. Sorry guys, I forgot that step. Alright. Anyways, go ahead and do Rockstar Social Club after uploading it. Hit Rockstar Games Social Club. Hit the, just log in with your GTA 5 account. Or if you guys do not have Rockstar Editor, just create one. But if you guys are like making crews and stuff like that, then you should have this. So you should notice that that first photo right there is going to be in our thing. So what we're going to go ahead and do is you are just going to hit it a couple times. Now go ahead and hit the photo. Hit add to photos and go ahead and back out of here. And go ahead and go to photos. And it's going to be there. So there you go. Alright guys, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is you're going to need PicsArt. So go to PicsArt. Hit the plus, hit that photos, hit the photo that we just did. My phone's slow as shit because my battery's going on. And we're just going to go ahead and get it here so that way it's zoomed in. And we're gonna go ahead and zoom out a little bit more. Zoom out a little bit more, zoom out a little bit more. So now we're gonna do how to get money fast in story mode. Alright, now hit that check mark. When we're done, we're gonna go ahead and put it smaller. We're just gonna make it so to the point where you guys can hopefully see it. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and click apply. Now guys, what we're gonna do is I'm actually going to hit the sticker button and we're just going to make our screen green. Now by doing this, what you do is you just grab like something green, like because this is gonna be like the money effect. Where is it? Where's the money green? There it is, right there. So we're just gonna grab that. Oh my god, of course, it's freaking premium only. This is stupid. Alright, we'll just grab this one. I don't even care. It's sparkly. I hate sparkly. Alright. I'm gonna do money green. Does that even exist? I don't even know. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and add some money down there. Bias. Boom. Alright, now go ahead and add photos. Not photos. Add this. We're gonna do this, which is the logo that we're gonna add. We're gonna make this smaller. We're just going to make this like, I mean, small as a bird. There we go. I don't want it up there, but can I not? Whatever. Alright, now go ahead and click stickers. We're gonna hit this again. We're gonna run it right there. Hit stickers again. Now what we need to do is just make the green, you know, cover it, hit the option thing, and you don't want to make it like this because you can't see the photo at all, so just turn it down a little bit more, like that. Alright, so now what we need to do is hit a little bit, you know, more. Alright, now go ahead and click apply. Hit that apply button. Now go ahead and you can add more money if you want to, which is actually what I'm gonna do. We're gonna add GTA cash, and we're just gonna add a lot. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do is you're gonna click the sticker, and you can just add more if we want. So we're just going to do more money, because we're that freaking cool. And we're just going to put that down there. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do is click the that just ruins the cool green vibe. Hit the hold on, make this a little smaller here. Alright guys, what we're gonna do is go ahead and hit the little thing up there, whatever the other thing is. It's gonna save the photos, and now what you do is go to YouTube Studio. So I'll see you on there. So go ahead and go to YouTube Studio. Content, you could change how it is. So I'm just gonna go to like a really old video of mine. Which a video that I don't want anymore is this. And hit that crown. Hit this custom thumbnail. Do this. Boom. Select. Save it. It's gonna say saving changes. Let it save. And boom! There you go, guys. That is how you guys can do it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Now I'm gonna delete this video because I don't like it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I hope this helped you guys out. Peace.